How about a little Capricorn?
Capricorn.
That's advice to the temple Jesus Christ. So I pray that my chips in my sex and my class. I want a direction and my spirit to seek a pass. I can better tell us that I'm a private and I'm a pass. I could do it and I got a body count. And I say let it see because my time I got it counts.
Hey, Mafuni man. Mafuna goke. Ega to shari Mafuna. Mafuna goke. Mafuna goke. Mafuna goke.